Let's see what the voltage from the microwave is capable of. Inside we see a 2 kilovolt transformer, a fuse, a high voltage capacitor, a diode, the magnetron itself, a control circuit and a surge protector. I will take the voltage from the transformer. Here one wire goes directly and the other from the microwave housing. Two testers are connected to the secondary winding. This tester shows voltage and this one shows current. Electric arc through tin. Through foil. Spring wire. I will add some salt. Let's slow down. The current in the arc is half an ampere, and the voltage rises instead of falling. A 300-watt light bulb at 220 volts. Plasma. The arc burns the conclusions. Glass is melting. Giant light bulb. The reaction has begun. Got a gas lamp. Tree branch. And is that all? We need to mow this grass. This is how we mow it. Do you see what's happening? We succeed. I hope you can clearly see what is happening with the grass now. Now I create an arc with the ground. This reaction is too strong. Pan also doesn't respond. The stump is insulated, it does not conduct current. A little sparkle inside. Here, you see. But there is something interesting here. The bark conducts current very well. Moreover, a very large arc appears with the bark. Look. Neon lamp. Cool. Daylight and energy-saving lamps do not burn out, although they burn very brightly. Dandelion. And finally, capacitors, against 2000 volts. Ouch, well done. And what was that? Pasha was able to get a working magnetron. Therefore, in the next video we will experiment with microwave energy. Subscribe to our channel. You can discuss new ideas in our Instagram account. See you soon.